The Trump administration on Wednesday appeared to abandon its proposed freeze on hundreds of billions of dollars in domestic aid amid legal setbacks and widespread opposition. The White House Budget Office told federal agencies it was rescinding a memo that had ordered them to pause a wide swath of grant and loan payments. But officials said they still planned to block funding for activities opposed by President Donald Trump. At a White House event, Trump said his administration had already identified and defunded unnecessary foreign aid programs.
We are merely looking at parts of the big bureaucracy where there has been tremendous waste and fraud and abuse.
The proposed spending freeze threw the government into turmoil and disrupted payments to medical and child care providers before it was temporarily blocked by a federal judge. U.S. Senator Patty Murray on Wednesday outlined some of the programs affected by Trump's directive.
Just one example, yesterday, Head Start providers were locked out of their reimbursement portal, meaning folks that are taking care of our youngest kids were suddenly not sure how they're going to keep the doors open or pay their teachers and staff. Rental assistance. The payment system for housing authorities was down yesterday. Funding for firefighters. You know what doesn't stop when federal funding stops? Fires.
A White House official said agencies still aim to eliminate funding for diversity and green energy programs, though it is not clear whether they are authorized to do so by law. The decision to rescind the Office of Management and Budget's directive came shortly before a federal judge in Rhode Island was set to consider a request by 22 mostly Democratic-led states and the District of Columbia for a temporary restraining order blocking a policy that they have said could have a devastating effect on their budgets.